Hey guys, see you in here with another episode of What's My Blank. We got another item from Supreme. It's Supreme season, so I'm gonna just keep going at it for Supreme item. Hopefully you guys like it. But this week it's week 6 item, and there was a lot of different items that was being dropped as usual. And there are 2 items that caught my eyes. One of them was Smurf Supreme deck, and the other one was the Shure mic. And this time, for me, I had to get the mic. Honestly, there was really no reason for me to get it. I don't have any singing or studio or anything like that, so I thought about why I need it or why I don't need it. It was just Supreme item. What can I say? Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys the Shure Supreme mic. It came in a box like this. I'll go ahead and unbox it. Take this temper tape off. Here we go. And here are the items. Oh, they gave me a lot of stuff. Oh man, this is great. Alright, let's take a look. In the box they has paper and the box for the Shure mic, but they had dropped in a whole bunch of stuff, so I'll just show you guys what I got. Also, I totally forgot that I sneaked these in. I thought it was a lot of different things, but it was just the Supreme sticker that was pretty much opened, and it all fell out. I got excited because I thought these were the more Supreme stickers, but it's not. It just opened up here. The name tag. I don't know why I got this, to be honest. I thought I got different colorway too, but I got red, I guess. I bought 2. Each of them had 100 per box. I don't know why I got it again, but it was just in the box in the cart. And then while I was checking this out, I just checked this out. These are still in the store, so you guys could go out and get it still. They come in different colorway, red, blue, and green, I believe. But if you guys want it, it's still there. So let's put this aside. The sticker I got is the regular box logo. But what's cool about these 2 box logo compared to other one is on the back they have this QR code, which pretty much take you to the registration for vote. If you guys are in the United States, you guys know that this election is coming up, so I hope you guys go out and vote. Well, not necessarily go out, but do the mail-in ballot, because a lot of the states are closed. And even if you do go out in person, I don't think they were saying that they're not going to count it right away. So best bet is to definitely do mail-in vote. I'm going to be doing them for sure. So go ahead and make sure you check yourself to make sure you're registered to vote. Make sure you guys are going out and voting for November election time. That said, let's go back and look at this. We have the Supreme Shure mic. This is not a condenser mic. It's more like a dynamic one. Again, looking at the box, we have the Supreme box logo in the front. On the side, I mean, the Shure on the other side. And Supreme picture of the mic. On the back we have the model SM58 vocal mic, supposed to be dynamic microphone, and it's supposed to come with the cords, pouch, and microphone clips. So let's go ahead and open this up. It slides out like this, and it has another plain white box. I'll go ahead and open it up, and inside we have the cord for the microphone is in red. I'll go ahead and open this up. It's in red. I think it really go well with the red microphone. So I don't know if it actually comes in red as normally, but it's pretty nice that they came like this. And then it has a bunch of paper and instruction manual, I would assume, and the Shure sticker, warranty stuff, and instruction manual, etc. So we'll go ahead and put that on the side. I don't know what these tag is for. And then we have the stand-up clip and the pouch, and then the box is pretty much empty. The microphone itself is bubble wrap like this. If you open it up, you have the Supreme microphone. It's pretty cute. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bigger mic than this. Pretty cute. It fits in this hand. It does have some weight on it, so this is pretty nice. But ultimately, you clip this on, you clip the other end, and then off you go. As far as the performance go, I'm not much of a vocalist or anything like that, so I don't have musical background. I'm not sure how good this microphone is compared to other one, but I didn't buy it for the spec or anything like that. Again, I bought it for the Supreme here. For SM58 model, I don't know if the price is a good price, but for Supreme it came out to be about $250. Usually any collaboration that Supreme do, they do like double the price. So I'm assuming the retail for this is about like 100, 125 ish probably. But with Supreme logo on it, it doubles the price. Again, I'll try to make sure I'll use this up and hook this up somewhere, and so I could try to use this. That being said, I'll give you guys a closer look at all the accessory, all the items and whatnot, and we'll wrap it up.